Okay, here's a quick look at the trades for eMiniDayTrader and also a bit of the market outlook on this shortened version video. This will only last a few minutes long. It's the shortened version of what we prepare for our members, which is a 15 to 20 minute video with quite a few more charts, a lot more detail. But we've got a few charts here that we can take a look at and get a bit of a sense of what we think the condition of the market is. We always like to take a look at these market profiles. That's where we always start from. This is the market profile from today, which includes the lettered market profile and the volume profile. Here's what we had overnight, and here's what we had yesterday. So we were mentioning yesterday that when the market came up here, we would likely see some consolidation. As you can see, the market basically went sideways today. It certainly did overnight, and then in the regular trading hours it did have that pop up and then came back down and a bit of a lift. So it did consolidate today, but in a bit of an unusual way. The probe higher did go above the resistance area but was quickly retreated from there. So that could be indicative of things to come. And so we'll have to monitor the market, although I still think that tomorrow is going to be somewhat similar to today in that it'll be mostly consolidation, as I don't think we're going to break from this area until the news is released about the employment situation, which is Friday morning. The market did, as I said, probe a little bit higher. We take a look here. We also like to look at the day-only profiles, is what we're looking at here. The previous chart also included the overnight session. And then when you take a look at our software here, we didn't have a lot of trades today, even though the market did move around a bit. Although it didn't move around a tremendous amount, it only had an 11-point range, 11.25-point range to be precise. We did have a long trade when the market rallied up here, and we were break even on that. We tried it again over in this area, but unfortunately we're stopped out there, and then had a short trade down here, which we ended up by getting out at break even as well, and then another one very, very late in the day here, which was also break even. So not that successful a day for us. It was a losing day, although you know, that's just how it goes sometimes. But we still think that this market here is, you know, it has found support in around that 4 area, which is one of our support areas going into today, and the resistance around the 11-12 area. It went above there briefly and then sold off. And so we'll take another look at that tomorrow to see if that area in around 12 can actually hold as resistance. It may even get up a little bit higher. The higher resistance now is closer to about 13.5. So that's really the area of resistance that we're looking at come tomorrow. So not a lot of trades in here for us today. Not that successful a day. We don't have a lot of these, but we've got to take them as they come. But this is a little bit of an unusual day in the sense that it broke higher so quickly and then turned right around so quickly. So it's just kind of how the market went today. But at any rate, that's what we're looking at. Around the 13 to 14 area is resistance. Up in this area in here is resistance, and down around here is as support. So until the market can actually either hold below or above those areas, you know, it's likely to just kind of remain in there. Now, we'd also consider this area here too, from about 10 to 6, as another area sort of tighter resistance and support, and then this would be the larger area of resistance and support. So support here and here, and then resistance here and resistance up here. That's really what we're looking at, but likely more consolidation tomorrow, with a look towards the employment situation numbers being released Friday morning. Thanks for taking the time to look at our video tonight. Any questions or comments, always welcome at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. See you tomorrow.